With an update to the breaking news we first brought to you just hours ago on Twitter. Anne Arundel County Police are trying to figure out why a camera ended up in the boys' bathroom at Glen Burnie High School. A student spotted the camera yesterday morning and then reported it to school administrators. They contacted police and searched the rest of the school's bathrooms and locker rooms, but didn't find another camera. Now, police believe the camera was installed by an officer who's been on the force for 14 years. But it was done without the school system or the police department knowing.
The Criminal Investigation Division arrived at the school and took custody of the camera. And it's important to note that this camera was not hidden. It was in plain public view. It was a small camera located in the corner of this bathroom. And like I said, once again, we can't tell you the exact reason the camera was placed there.
All right, now, police say no pictures or recordings were found on the camera, but they are still investigating. The officer who installed the camera has been placed on leave, and his police powers have now been suspended. Now, the school sent home a letter to parents today, reading in part, "I urge you not to jump to any conclusions with regard to this case or to fuel any rumors." School officials are also encouraging parents to talk to your children about what happened and contact police if you have any information. So coming up tonight at 6 o'clock, ABC 2 News' Christian Schaefer will be live at Glen Burnie High. He'll have the latest on this investigation. And for the latest breaking news anytime, right there in the palm of your hand, just follow us on Twitter. You can find us at ABC2_alerts.